All right, everybody. I am loaded up, shotguns, shells, clothes, you name it, I've got it. I'm heading to meet team member Mike Johnson, and we're heading to Tennessee to hunt some pheasant, quail, and chucker. And that's something I haven't got to do. I've hunted doves, ducks, things like that, but I've never got to hunt these upland game birds. So this is going to be a blast. He's bringing his dad, and a friend of ours, Travis Combs, is going to be there also. So let's go shoot some birds. All right, everybody, we finally made it to R&D Adventures. Get up here and, oh man, pretty sweet. Y'all can see up there. It's gonna be a blast. Y'all stick with us. It's time to have some fun. This is Mike Johnson here at Shoot Trail Adventures. We're down here today and I think it's Limestone, Tennessee with R&D Adventures. Fixed to go on a quail, a chucker, and a pheasant hunt. We've never done this, but we're going to have a good time, and hope to get some birds on the ground. Y'all stick with it. It's going to be fun. All right, y'all, this is going to be awesome. This is where we're hunting birds at. We're excited. That's all I got to say about it.
Yeah, we're excited. Let's get them.
So this is Sadie. She's a English pointer female. That's Jack. He's a male. All right. I'm sure you've heard it said before. If you want to get any close-ups of these dogs on point, just let me know. You can walk right in. They're not going anywhere. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, Jack.
Okay, I'm good.
Whoever's closest can shoot on either side on the edge here. Okay. Down the way, down. Yep. Great fair game. Okay. Whoa, Jack. Here we go.
Get him, Mike. Atta boy.
Good shot. Good shot.
Rolling. Got it.
Nice shooting.
Thank you, man. Good. I'm guiding a hunt right now. Can I call you back? I'll do it. Thanks. You want to get a shot with him with that rooster? He likes to parade around. Boy, Jack.
Good job, bud.
Good boy, Jack.
Beautiful bird.
Aren't they? Yep.
Beautiful bird.
Hey.
You take an exit.
Good shooting.
A lot of it has to do
Thanks,
with
Randy.
which way the birds are going.
Right.
More than anything.
Right.
that's less range than you've got.
Right, let's see some shoot right here.
Yep. Exactly.
Well, if he comes this way. Yep. No, I'll take him this way.
Jack.
Bird down.
Good shot, buddy.
Dead.
Rolled her.
Dead.
Has a head, but it'd be good to eat.
Yep. Dead. Dead bird here. Dead. Dead. Good girl. Jack's a thief, by the way. Jack's also a thief. Boy, you think you're the bomb diggity, don't you?
Huh? Oh, bird went back to life.
We have a fair number of Tweety birds here, if you'd like.
Oh, yeah.
Lady.
Beautiful picture right there.
Yeah, oh yeah. Hey.
This is awesome. First time ever bird hunting, man. Like this.
Travis, you got one more, right? And Randy's got
I got one.
Randy's
Right here you go, Randy. That's a rooster too, buddy.
I ain't going
I got a feeling.
got mine.
We got Randy up to bat on his pheasant.
Here.
He can come up right with me if you want.
I'm gonna film you while he does too.
Nice shot. Oh, get him. Doing the
shot,
flip,
Randy.
aren't they?
Thank you. Yes, sir. That's a good one.
Good boy, Jack. Boom. Looks like a B-52 taking.
Desert area.
And not much cover, but they're interesting in that you can't tell the difference between males and females except for this one. Whoa. Go. Get him. He might go right, he might go left. There's another bird in here somewhere. There should be. Jack. There he goes. Dead. Look at that bird go.
Look at that.
We'll get him. We'll get him later.
he's laying
He ain't
over
going
there.
anywhere.
First chucker.
On the first one, I'm like, what am I doing? This
First
thing, when
chucker.
I bear down on it.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, he's laying there.
First chucker.
Yeah, first chuck, first quail. I mean,
Pheasant. Yeah.
I'm all tore up.
I know.
don't what for.
I'm just like it, dude. All right. What are we after right here, Randy?
Chuckers, buddy, chuckers.
Another one. Watch where he goes.
Who that tail was, man.
That one on the corner right here.
Stay safe.
about Steve?
Look at that tail.
Get him, Randy, get him.
Mississippi. Another one in here, guys.
Okay.
Somewhere. Get ready. Jack.
I should have had that bird. That was easy.
They're tough.
Behind you.
Good shot.
Nice.
Good shot.
Atta boys, that a way to not let them get loose. Shoot, Randy.
I think it was his dad that got that, wasn't it?
That's a tag team.
So the chuckers, the males and the females look exactly the same, except the males have a little bump on the back of their leg. That one has it. You can barely see it. That's a male. And you can see that bump. That's a male.
Yep. You got two males.
Yep, that's the only way you can tell the difference on chuckers. They look exactly the same.
Well, they're beautiful birds, that's
Aren't
for
they?
sure.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome.
Good eating, too. So.
Dog's on point again.
Yeah, they are.
You know, you watch this stuff on TV and you think, man, I'd like to do that.
Get him, Randy, get him. Atta boy, good shot, good shot.
You hit it.
Going to that little island right there.
Yep.
Boy, Jack. Boy, Jack.
Smoked that one.
First chucker.
First chucker. First chucker, man.
Another one.
This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome.
Jack.
I was like, holy crap.
That's a good shot on that.
Thank you.
I like seeing the wind go out of their sails and they just roll over.
I see it hit the ground and roll. Puff a feather. Got some more right here.
Oh yeah, they're locked up. That one went down.
I was like, there's feathers in there.
Yeah, that one went. Oh.
There's a cripple right here, Dale. Hold on.
Okay. It landed right in the tree line, the other one.
Whoa, Jack. We got a bird up here somewhere, guys.
Okay.
There you go. Anchor man.
Nice shot, Trav.
Thanks, man.
Whew. That was up close and personal.
I figured it's better to get on that trigger fast.
Good boy, Jack. Hey. Good boy, Jack. Remember me? Good boy. Yeah.
Not this way, big boy. Not this way.
You ready?
Boy.
Up close. Oh, in the air.
That
Good
dog
job.
worked. Woo.
Here, Jack.
Check
Hey.
that out. Yeah.
That's pretty cool there.
All right, everybody, we got a tailgate full. Round one's done. Mr. Dale's getting the dogs ready. Head out for round two. We're having a blast.
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. Lock them brakes up.
There's so much scent from birds you put out all day.
Yeah.
Go, fellas. Go, get him, boys.
Good shot, Randy.
Another
Get him,
one.
Randy.
Get that one. Oh, heck. You know who's buying supper.
Oh, dead eye.
Boom! Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Yes, sir. Okay, this is amazing. We're gonna get some more.
Out here. Dead. Here. Dead. Go.
Oh,
See where that other one went.
it's running. Get him, Trav.
Get him back. Get him again.
Awesome. Well, that's your first quail too,
First
right?
quail, yeah.
We're just doing a bunch of firsts today.
First time I've ever been bird hunting.
Oh.
And this is a blast. I hate that I haven't done it sooner.
No doubt, no doubt.
Go.
Oh, you
Got 3 reasons to go in that woods.
right there in the tree. Good shot, Trav.
No, it went that way. We won't take that way. Hey, Jill.
Good shot, Trav.
That's 2.
You plastered that when that jumped up right there. I was like, oof.
Put
Like
them
you-
whammy shells on so they don't get out.
Old Keith getting ready to retrieve. Don't let him down. Justin, shoot that thing here.
Get-
Shoot that bird. Somebody. Help me, help me.
He
We'll
landed.
get him. He's going to the island. He rolled back. Those are those 2 chuckers that.
Well, that's
Hey, good shooting over there.
Good shoot.
Poor thing. I hit them a little bit bigger. Them small.
It'd be nice if I had a shell in. We'll keep that between us.
Oh, the camera caught that.
Dang it. Hit that chucker.
Yeah, boy.
He was buried in there, man.
He wasn't coming.
It was buried.
That's crazy. Them dogs was on
Another
top of it.
chucker.
Did you see that? That was freaking awesome.
That was just,
He had no desire to come out of that.
Look
No
at those big
doubt.
dogs. Got it in their mouth. Don't want to turn it loose.
check that out.
All right. Hey,
It's a shot, man.
Appreciate it.
leave him
Appreciate it.
something to
Good
eat.
shot.
Thank
Good
y'all.
shot.
Leave him something to eat. Hey,
Them chuckers is more our speed. I really do believe it. I swear I do.
good girl. All right. Dead. You ready? Shoot that bird. Shoot that. Good shot, Travis.
Dang.
Nice. Good shot, Travis. Oh, fever.
Nice, look at that. Good deal.
Well, I can see myself coming down here some more.
Yeah. All right, everybody. If y'all saw all that, we was having a blast.
Went out the way.
I'm still tore up over it. I
Yeah.
ain't kidding you. It was absolute fun from start to finish. We shot, we hit, birds was on the ground, dogs worked. It was totally awesome. If you've never done it, check R&D Adventures out. Give them a call. Book your next hunt. You got Mr. Rick back here cleaning the birds. You got
man.
Dale taking you out guiding with his dogs. Dog work was unreal.
Oh,
Watch
yeah.
them dogs point them birds.
I'm first for all of us, except maybe Dad. Your dad
Yeah.
had been before.
He'd been before, but none of the rest of us had ever
Yeah.
been.
And it was just,
It was a blast.
it was.
Like I say, he's got pheasants, chuckers, and quails. And
And
it's a blast to hunt all of them. Bring plenty of shells and you'll have a blast, I'm telling you.
that's definite. That's definite. We're going to be back.
Oh yeah, we'll
That's
be
a
back.
definite.
We
We're coming back.
made plans to come back.
Y'all stay tuned for some more Shoot Your Grill Adventures on coming up soon on YouTube. You still check us out on the network right now at
Yes, sir.
Pride Outdoors. And we'll see y'all later.
Have a good one, y'all. See y'all next time.